Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with PressureWashHelp.com, and today I have some really exciting news to do that I've got coming to you. So I have been working my tail off on trying to get a online course for people to be able to go on there, not just a course, but I wanted it to be more of a membership, and that's what I got here today. I've got about 6-7 hours worth of videos on there right now. I got a Facebook group. I got, and I'm going to be continuously doing support for people trying to start a pressure washing business. I've actually got a couple local guys that I've been really working with, trying to help them grow their business, and that's what I want to do. I want to grow your business. I want to help you grow your business. I want you to be successful. I want you to be profitable, and I want you to be and grow it. And I want you to be able to live like you haven't lived before, instead of going to a 9-to-5 job and worrying about what's going to happen and is that job going to be, there tomorrow. You never know. I want you to have a bulletproof business so that you will be successful and that you will grow it and you will be very successful, profitable and successful. Just because you make $1 million and you're not profitable, it does you no good. If you're living on, if you got a $30,000 job, you can make $100,000 a year, easy, doing pressure washing, no problem at all. And you don't need 5-10 employees to do it. And so that's the great benefit about it. And in my videos, in my community, I'm going to have everything step by step how to work it, how to clean, how to market, how to do sales, the whole 9 yards. But the biggest thing is how to market yourself and how to do it right the first time. How to clean decks, how to clean roofs, how to clean siding, how to clean aluminum siding, how to clean concrete. The whole 9 yards is going to be in there. So if you want to check it out, go check out PressureWashHelp.com/training, and you'll find it in there, or you can find the link down here in the bottom. One other thing I wanted to show you is I'm building a trailer, and it's going to be a training trailer. It's going to have it. I'm going to show you how to build a system for under, I think I can do it right at about $3,000 of doing it yourself with professional equipment and everything you will need. I might be about $3,500 by the time I'm done, but I'm shooting for $3,000. And that will be doing it yourself. If you need somebody to do it else, then it's going to be more than that, obviously. But I want to show you that you can build a great system for under $3,500. And not only that, this will be a training trailer that I will start doing in-person training. If you want to come either to Cincinnati and learn how to do pressure washing, or if you want me to come to you, I may try to do some classes across the country of where I can pull my trailer and I can show you how to do pressure washing. It'll be a 2-day class of how to do pressure washing. Please go check out my webpage, PressureWashHelp.com/training. Thank you and have a great day.